Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So here is our grocery haul, and I'm going to also be sharing with you our meal plan. I will review for you last week's meal plan because we actually went off plan, but we still did well. We used what we had in the house, we just didn't use everything that we had on our list. So I'll show you, we did use some things out of our pantry. You all will be pleased. So anywho, I'll share that with you in just a second. But I did want to share with you our grocery haul. So today is Wednesday, March the 6th, and they are doing an extended super doubles 6, 7, and 8, and we just had 1, 3, 4, and 5. So 2 more days for super doubles. There's some really good deals out there. I really wish I had the Purdue chicken coupon because I could have gotten ground chicken for $1, but I didn't have the coupon, and they actually had the kind in there that would have been $1. But no worries, I got chicken. All right, so here's a good deal for us. This is the 1850. This is 10 K-cups, the pods, and this was $5.99, and there was $1.50 off that doubled to $3. So thank you, my Texas friend who sent those coupons. I got this box for $2.99. Now, the reason I have to do the K-cups is because where I work now, they don't have traditional coffee makers. They have Keurigs. So every person is responsible for bringing in their own pods, and these just help me. At one school, the librarian always usually has coffee in there. But at my other schools and at my office, I actually have to take my own. So this helps me out. And then I also can restock what's in, in our coffee space here. I got this old El Paso red enchilada sauce. I'm thinking about making some enchiladas for the kids. So this was $1. I got some moveless butter. That was $2.99. And then I saw these Jimmy Dean hickory smoked bacons. They were $3.99 with $1 off coupon. So I paid $2.99. Bacon is so expensive, so I was excited to pick up those. I wish I could have got a couple more because they had a couple more yellow tickets, but I didn't. I was trying to mind my budget. So I got the Mission Carb Balance tortilla wraps. The kids like these. They use these for breakfast sandwiches. They use these for lunches. I'm thinking about doing some with the enchiladas. So these were $3.99, and they are the 5 net grams of carbs. So that works out well. Jackson likes this boar's head. This is sandwich pepperoni. So we got a 1/3 pound at $2.72. Then Harris Teeter had these chicken. They had tenderloins and breasts. I thought they had the little wingettes, but they were not on sale at our store. It was buy 2, get 3 free. So each bag was $10.99. So I spent like $22, but I got 5 bags. So it was a little bit over $4 a bag, and they're normally like $7.99 or $8.99. So I was thinking about Sarah from our tribe of many, how she'll buy, 5 of something or 4 of something, and each week she'll have that meal. When I was buying that, that's what I was thinking. Okay, I could have chicken on Monday nights, and I could have chicken on, for 5 Monday nights. I don't know that that is what I will do, but that's how I was thinking when I picked up those 5. So we'll see. Got chopped onions for 99¢. And then Jackson asked me for oatmeal. So this was a variety pack, and that was $1.49. This was 69¢. We use that to flavor our seltzer. Did pick up some sour cream for $1.39. And then I saw they had the produce rewrapped. This is celery and carrot sticks. Jackson will eat the carrot sticks, and I'll use the celery in maybe a stock or something. Then they had these Sunkissed Delights, 3 pounds for $2.99. Peppers were $1.29. Large grade eggs, I got 2.5 dozen. They were $3.29. And then I saw this cacique cheese, queso fresco. I think I saw this on Catherine Meredith's channel. I think her name is Catherine Meredith. She does keto. And what she did with hers was she cut it into little pieces and fried it in the frying pan. So this was 2 for $7 or $3.50 a piece. I had $1 off coupon that doubled to $2, so I paid $1.50. It's listed on the site that I look at for buy one get one free, but it was not buy one get one free at my store. So I ended up paying $1.50 for this. But I thought just to cut that up, put it in the fry pan and let it get, you know, fried and ooey gooey, that will work out nicely. Sargento cheese was on sale this week. They were $3.79, buy one get one free, so $1.90. And I had a 75 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.50, so I paid 40 cents a bag for the cheese. Then we just picked up our regular paper towels at $1.89, paper plates at $1.89. And that is what we were able to get for our grocery haul. So let me share with you how much I spent. I was a little bit over my budget this week, but I really feel like the $75 is our sweet spot, especially being on keto. So I have to make sure that I am true to that. Of course, that wasn't my budget this month so far. But if we get some extra money, then I'll put a little bit more towards the groceries. So my balance was $67.25. I did $4.75 in coupons, $4.75 in double coupons, $47.15 in Vic savings, or $56.65 total savings for 46% saved. I only used 5 of my double coupons, but I have 253 fuel points, which means I can get 20 cents off per gallon, and I do need gas. So I'm going to get gas in the morning on my way to work. I do have to go by a gas station, so I think I'm going to go to my Harris Teeter gas station and grab some gas. So let me share with you what is in our fridge, freezer, and pantry. Alrighty, so in our fridge, we have some grilled chicken chunks that I got on a coupon. We have, this is a roast that I'm going to use for Mississippi roast. We actually have meatballs, frozen fruit from last week, cauliflower. There's a few more sausages here. We have sausages there, broccoli, and then I think that is sausage. We've got some extra sausage in there. And then nothing has changed here, but I will be using this sausage to do some mushrooms. There's some butter. Oh, and we still have veggies, but I'm going to use these veggies up this week because I did not buy veggies in my grocery haul. Okay, down here we do have some butter. We have a few cheese sticks left, not very many. We have some cream cheese. We do have some tortilla chips, tortilla wraps, I'm sorry. And then we do have some bacon, so I'll get the kids to make that bacon and we'll put the other one in the freezers. We have some eggs, but we use a lot of eggs. And then down here, I have 2 things of the coleslaw, which I do have to use. I have 1 cucumber that I do need to use. And then I have mushrooms. I'm trying to see if I can get till Sunday to use those because I have a recipe. I have some blackberries and almonds. We are doing a Sunday brunch. So I was going to make the stuffed mushrooms, but I was going to chop the mushrooms up this time instead of stuffing them, and see how that worked out. So I'm hoping it'll last. And then this is just the leftover condiments that we have. Actually didn't even pick up any more heavy cream, but that's fine. So we should be okay. Alrighty. In our pantry, okay, so you guys were used to seeing that can of salmon. The can of salmon is gone. We used that one. And I think either Thursday or Friday we're going to do chili, so the tomatoes will be gone. And we're actually using one of the Simply Ragus tonight. We're doing lasagna, just like the real thing lasagna. So this is what the pantry is looking like. Oh, we did also get some water as well. So this is what our pantry is looking like. And I'm going to sit down now and share with you our meal plan. Okay, you guys, so for February the 27th through March the 5th, which was last week, this was our meal plan. I had fried cabbage and sausage, garlic zucchini and sausage, pizza night, chicken thighs, baked spaghetti, burgers in a bowl, and then keto cheeseburger soup and with keto cornbread. So the only thing on here we did not have was the burgers in a bowl, and we did not have the chicken thighs. So we ended up having the baked spaghetti. I think we had that Thursday night. And then I think we ended up having the garlic, zucchini, and cheesy sausage Saturday night. So I think I switched these 2 and this one. But we had leftovers or something. There was some night that I did not cook one of these meals, and we added in something different. I can't remember what we had, but we did the majority of what was on our list, and I was okay with that, simply because we just used the things that we had in the house. So looking at it now, I'm going to actually try to figure out what we can do with what we have. And I'm going to write in what we do have and then figure out what meals we can come up with. Because we do need to use some things and I don't want food waste. So I have a couple bags of coleslaw that I have to use. I do have a lot of meat. So I'm going to see what the kids and I can come up with as far as a meal plan. Okay, I think we got it squared away now with our meal plan. So for tonight's dinner, which is March the 6th, I'm planning on Just Like the Real Thing lasagna. And that comes from the Craveable Keto Cookbook. For tomorrow night, we're going to do fried cabbage and sausage because we actually need to use up that coleslaw. Then on Friday, I have Taekwondo and a purity workshop. So we're actually going to do chicken enchiladas, and I'll use those low-carb wraps for the kids. I don't like low-carb wraps, so I'll just have the meat with none of the wrap stuff. If there's any meat left here, we'll use it in a taco soup. For Saturday, the kids actually have a special teams practice where they have to be at the dojang from 10 to 12. So we can put that on before we leave, and it'll be a nice lunch that will stretch into dinner. For Sunday, we're actually having worship and brunch at church, and so I'm going to take the Nashville hot chicken, which I'm going to use those chicken tenders that I just got, and then I'm going to do a stuffed this should say mushroom and sausage bake. Stuffed mushrooms and sausage bake is what I'm going to take. And then while we're at church, I'm going to leave a Mississippi roast in the crock pot. For Monday night, which our friend is, we hope she's going to be coming back over. She actually had a meeting that started on Monday night, so she may not be able to. And we can't think of another night during the week that we're available. So we're going to do Alfredo pork chops. And I shared a recipe, I think, in one of my last What's for Dinner videos with the pork chops. So we're thinking about that. And then we have to, there are no ifs, ands, and buts on Tuesday nights. We have to have a crock pot meal. Now, I can put it on when I get off of work and let it cook till late, but we don't get home on Tuesday nights until extremely later than what I would like. Later than I want to be in the kitchen cooking a meal. So, we're going to do a crock pot chili. And then these are all the meats we have. We have chicken, sausage, roast, we have meatballs, we have hamburgers, we have chicken chunks, I have thighs, I have legs, I have tenders for chicken. And then veggies, we have broccoli, cauliflower, green beans, mushrooms, and cucumbers. So I'm going to try to use up all of these. Also have some green bell peppers and onions here. So I'm going to try to use up everything that is in our fridge, our freezer, or our pantry for this week. And we'll bring you along and show you the things that we do use. But this is it, our grocery haul and our weekly meal plan. We do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. Share it if you think it'll be helpful to someone. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.